Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, April 30th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.8 cents, down 0.15% with volume up 155.06%. The price is ranging from a high of 13.8 cents and a low of 12.6. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,416,680,000, which is down, and a trading volume of 44,398,000, which is up. Etherscan is showing 310,397 holders, up 84. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 46.42%, number 2 is Upbit with 19.16%, and number 3 OKX with 13.89%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 206,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.